Hello, dear students. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shiksha Mandal Primary, Pune Mahanagarpalika. Today I have selected a chapter of divisibility test. In standard 5, we have seen multiples and factors. Okay, so number there is 16. If we write the factors of the 16, we will write 1, 2, 4, then 8, 16. So these are the factors you have written. But we have to know how did we write that? How did we find the numbers exactly? So here we have to know some rules of divisibility test. First of all, we are going to see the rules for divisibility test of 2. Two. When the divisibility of 2 will be used, so at the unit place of the any number which is given. For example, a number given 248, that is 248. We have to find out that a number which is at unit place is 8. So the rule says when at the unit place 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, when this number will come at the unit place, so the divisibility of 2 will be used. That is even number. Even number. Now next rule of next divisibility test 3. If the number has all the digits, sums will be the sums of all digit numbers. Sum of all digit number will be come into the table of 3. So the divisibility of 3 will be used. For example, 63. 63. What we have to do? 6 plus 3. These two digit will be, what is the sum of these two digit? So 9. So 9 number comes in table 3. So the test will be of the 3 will be used. Next number we will see 4. Number 4 we will see when the divisibility of test 4 will be used. So a number comes in divisibility, the numbers say last digit number will be comes in table 4. For example, here we will see last digits will be come in table 4. So that test will be used, like 68. So these last two digit will be comes into the this table, right? Last two digits. So that number will be used for that 4 divisibility test will be used for this entire number. Okay. Next divisibility test, rule 5. The number 5. Here we have to know that when the unit place 0 or 5, if any number has 0 or 5 at the unit place, so there will be this number will be definitely divisible by, that number will be definitely divisible by 5. Next we will see number 5 and 10. Number divisibility of number 10. If the unit place number 0 or any 10 place, that entire number will be divisible by 10, like 100, 1000, 90. Okay, so this number will be divisible by 10. These examples you have seen in the 5th standard. Now we will see some examples. Three, 6, 4, then 750, then 800, then 628, 206, 800, 710. If you observe, guys, every number has even number. Every number of the unit at the unit place you can see even numbers like 0, 4, 0, 8, 6, 0. So whole number, all numbers will be divisible by 2. Okay. Next we will see number 3. Here 63, 552, 9336. Can you tell, guys, are all these numbers are divisible by 3 or 2? See, if we find out 6 and 3, there is a unit at unit place 3, right? So we cannot divide this number by 3. So what can we do? If we add 6 and 3, 6 plus 3, that is 9. So there will be the sum of this 63, these two digits is 9. So this number, whole this number will be divisible by 3. In the next, we can see 5 plus 2, sorry, 5 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 5 and 5, 10 and 12. So 12 comes in table 3. That is, this number, whole number will also divisible by 3. Here you can say 9 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15, and 6, 21. So 21, this number comes in table 3. That means this number also will be divisible by 3. Okay. Did you understand the rules of divisibility of 3? Now we have a next number, 125, 750, 800, 700, sorry, 478, no, 75. We'll write again this number. Say 475, 807 and 10. Here we will see every number has at unit place 5 and 0. We have seen the rules of 5, and when the unit place 5 and 0 comes, so there will be a test, 5 will be definitely used. Okay. Next number, as I tell you, number 10. divisibility of number 10. As I told you, the number of divisibility 10 will be used for the any number which has the end 0 or any 10th. For example, 10, 800 or even 20. You can see there are 10s, okay, and 0. There are 2 10s. It means these all numbers will be divided by 10. These all you have seen in standard fifth. I'm going to write some numbers. You have to tell me which number is divisible by what. Okay. Divisibility test. Test. Okay. And is this number divisible by number divisible (64) divisible by 2, divisible by 3, divisible by 4, divisible by 5 and 10. Okay, 64. Can you tell me, guys, is the 64 divisible by 2? So you can see there is 4 at unit place. So obviously it can divisible by 4 at 2. It can divisible by 3. What is the rule of 3 says? When the addition of 2 digits or any digits, theta z digits are all digits we have to find out, and then we have to add all the numbers. If the numbers or the sum is divisible by 3, then this whole number will be divisible by 3. But here we can divisible, no, you cannot divide this number. Next 4, yes, last digit is divisible by 4, so this number also will be divisible by 4. 5, no. 10, no. Then we can see next number 93. At the unit place, can you see 2 or any even number? Obviously no. So it is not divisible by 2. Can you divide this number by 3? Yes. So at the unit place, 9 and 3, 12. We'll see next number 93. So 93 number is divisible by 2? No, not at all. Next number we can see is 3 divisible by 3? Yes. 9 and 3 is equal to 12. So 12 divisible by 3. 4? No. 5? No. 10? No. Right? Next number we will see. Next number 108. Guys, can you tell me if you think about this test, can you tell me is this number 108 divisible by 2? Yes, there is 8 in unit place, so this number whole number will be divisible by 2. Then 3, can this number divide by 3? 1 plus 0 plus 8. What is the sum of this whole number, all digits? So this is 9, right? So 9 comes in table 3, that is you can divide all this number by 3. Next 4. There at the unit place there is 8. Can you divide by 4? Yes. 5? Divisibility test 5 will be used? Not. Then 10? No. We'll see next number 120. There is 0. What is the rule says of divisibility test 2? When the unit place is 0 or any even number, at any number, that is whole number will be divisible by 2. So there is the 2 divisibility test can be used. 3, yes, 1 plus 2 plus 0, so 3, so it is also can be used. 4, yes, 2 digit, last 2 digit is divided by 4, so 4. 5, 0 at the unit place 0, so you can see this 5 is also can be used. 10, yes. This means these all numbers are divisible by any numbers if you know the rules properly. So it is very important or very easy to understand. I'm going to give some homework. I'm going to give a homework to solve very simple numbers. Homework for you. Find out which find out which test will be used for the following number. Example 50, 168, 534, 618, 708. Again 805, 720, then 1000. These all examples are very easy to understand. You can definitely find out which test will be used for each and every numbers. Okay guys, so we have seen this chapter in revision. Next time we will see some the rules of like number 7, 6, 8, which is remain here in next chapter.